In this screencast we're going to look a bit more closely at some of the audio and video tools available through the browser. I'm going to start with WeVideo, very interesting service which is completely free, and the limits are to do with how many minutes you can export and at what resolution. But for making videos that are useful for e-teaching, it's really suitable. We're at the entry screen at the moment. I just thought I'd take you through. You can see here there's three modes: advanced, timeline or storyboard. So you get to choose which level of skill you'd like to start with, or time permits perhaps. You can give them a theme. You can also have no theme, so you don't have to apply a theme, of course. You can keep all of your assets out there on cloud services and bring them in and out as you choose. And it's just got a new updated look. And that's about being organised, so I'll just close that off and I'll give you an idea of what it looks like. You can record from your webcam, built-in webcam. You can upload media here. This is the intermediate view of it. So let's just have a look at how it works. Very simple. Transport controls here. You can set in and out points. You can resize the screen so you can see what's going on. Okay, so we'll just drag that into the timeline, and we can move it around just by dragging and dropping. These clips that I've chosen, some have audio, some don't, and so they're not good examples of how to deal with audio, but I'm really just want to introduce you to these tools and show you basically what the interface looks like. So you're hearing my voice through the microphone headset that I'm wearing, but you're hearing the some of the video audio also through that little microphone. So as you can see, it's a really simple tool. You just grab, drag, reorder. You can add graphics and text. You can do a lot of different things. It's a really full-featured tool that you can spend a little time or a lot of time with. Let's move over to Audio Boo, and it's basically an audio blogging platform. Is probably the best way to describe this. So I'll just give it a run and you'll see what I mean. Got a mic ready? Yes. You can upload a file as well if you'd prefer to do that. Okay, so I'm allowing it to choose my microphone. I can see that it's recording now because I'm getting a little bit of level here. And if I just click start recording, this is a test of the Audio Boo blogging platform just to see how it works and the sound quality. You can see here that the free version has a 5-minute limit, but you can upgrade if you're wanting to add longer audios. Happy? Add a title. Test of the Audio Boo platform. And you can add your descriptors there. Give it a category. You can add an image so that it has a visual reference. You can also position it with geospatial data or just mapping, and then just click publish. Very simple. The beauty of these services is often how simple they are to use. It puts an audio on the web, and then it gives you some tools to be able to embed that back to, say, your LMS or via a link, via an email. So you can set these things up as projects. You can ask your students to submit something via audio, maybe a spoken piece. You see there's a link here. And you'll find that there's a very low barrier to entry. People won't get too confused by how to work it. All they need is some pretty simple equipment. Let's play it out. This is a test of the Audio Boo blogging platform, just to see how it works. Sound quality. Very simple. You can embed there, and there's your embed. I'll pause that. Alright, SoundCloud is a very similar service. If I wanted to upload one, I can click on upload. So I can either pre-record and just have the file on my computer, or I can record right here in the browser. And you can see there's no time limit with this one. There's different features about downloads and the size of the file you can do, the quality of the file you can upload. But all these features will trade on their differences basically. So you can see that I'm recording right into the browser right now. That waveform is forming as I'm speaking. Upload your recording, and there it goes. It's all really simple. That's the key to it. While that's preparing, we'll have a look at it. It's finished now. Okay, we can save those details. Obviously you can go through and make some changes and add some meta descriptors, some tagging. And there it is. These features will trade on their differences basically. So you can see that I'm recording right into the browser right. And it just gives you that visually interesting sideways waveform. Let's have a look at a couple of SlideShare video makers now. Slideshow video makers. So Animoto is a very popular one, very easy to use, and FlixTime. They both do a similar thing. Let's have a look at, say, a simple type of theme. Maybe this one, Big Beat. And we can make a free 30-second video for free here, or we can purchase that. I've already got some pictures that I've got on my desktop ready to go, and they're similar ones that we used before along the theme of pollution. There's a pelican, there's an oil spill, and I'll open them. You can add videos as well. You can see you can add overlays of text. So it's creating those previews now, and let's have a look at the preview video. Okay, so we've got very inappropriate theme and music there with the actual subject matter. So you do need to preview those and find out which one suits better. FlixTime works in a very similar way. You can choose a theme and that automatically adds them to it. And the last one is actually the product that I'm using right now, which is called Screencasts, and I'm going to load it up in another browser so you can have a good look at it. This is all it takes. You've got to make sure your Java is up to date. It all works inside the browser, and then you simply click Start Recording. Now you can see that I'm logged in as a Pro account here. I might log out of that. And you just click Start Recording. Now it's going to recognize that I'm already using a recorder in action here, so it may not